Let's take a look at problem number 11. It says determine the equation line in slope-intercept form that contains the points 7, -2, and 4, -5. This is finding equation of the line given 2 points. Step 1, find m find m using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. There we go. And there we go. 2. Plug in one of the points for x, y, and m from step 1 into y equals mx plus b and solve for b. Then step 3, write your answer. So let's use that to solve this problem. So I'm given 7, -2, and 4, -5. First step is we want to find m using this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now we will go through and label these. This is our first point, so that'll be x1, y1. This is our second point, so that'll be x2, y2. Usually I tell people that it's best to put parentheses where your variables are and then plug in your numbers, especially if you're just learning it. Y2 is -5 and y1 is -2. x2 is 4 and x1 is 7. Well, a negative parentheses negative up on top gives us a positive, so we got -5 plus 2. And down below, 4 minus 7 is -3. -5 plus 2 is -3. And -3 over -3 gives us a +1. Now our second step was to plug in one of the points for x, y, and m from step 1 into y equals mx plus c and solve for b. It doesn't matter which point you pick, both of them will work. I'll pick this second one. That's our x and that's our y. So I'll put -5 in for the y. M we said was 1 and x is 4 and then plus b. And we want to solve for b. 1 times 4 is 4. Take 4 to the left side, becomes a -4. And we get b is equal to -9. Now our third step was to write our answer down. Because they were asking for the equation on the line. Well, m we just found was 1, so plug that in. B was -9, so plug that in. So our answer is y is equal to x minus 9. Which would be y is equal to x minus 9. Looks like A would be your answer. So let's check that. 11A. And that checks. Now, I should mention on that, I always show it in this form. I don't use point slope form. I used to teach both of them. Then I had a student from Japan one semester. He asked me why I was teaching both of them. And I said, well, you need both depending upon what it looks like. And he proceeded to prove me you can do everything with the slope-intercept form. And I love that. I love if you got one formula that'll handle 100% of the problems.